Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what I want to do is we're going to play with some products that I have pulled out of my stash. So I've shopped my stash and I'm just going to play with my older products, I guess you would say. Some products I just had kind of been laid to the wayside for a little bit, playing with newer products. So we're just going to play with those and have some fun playing with makeup. So if you'd like to see the look I come up with, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to pull back my hair because it's going to drive me crazy if I don't. And take off my glasses. And the palette I pulled out for today is the Sigma Cor-De-Rosa palette. That's what it looks like. And I'm just going to see what type of look I can come up with. I'm going to take apricot right here. See if y'all, make sure y'all can see it right here. And I'm going to put that in my crease. I'm going for something a little bit lighter today. Like a lighter pinky look. Almost forgot my Milani eye primer. What was I thinking? And I've already done my eyebrows. I did my eyebrows with the number 7 Beautiful Eyebrow Sculpting Pencil. It has a different, it's not a precisely, it's like this kind of a triangular type shape. It's actually not that bad working with, so I enjoy it. Alright, we're going to go back in that apricot shade and go in the crease. I'm going to take the shade Hybrid here and I'm going to put that all over my lid. I'm going to take Bella the Ball and I'm going to put that on my inner corner. Taking a cotton round and some micellar water, I'm going to clean up the edges. I'm taking the Porefessional Hydrating Primer and I'm going to put that all over my face. Alright, I'm taking the Anastasia Luminous Foundation. And I'm going to put that all over my face. Taking the Milani Conceal and Perfect Long Wearing Concealer, and the shade I had in my foundation was 210N, and this is 100 Pure Ivory. I'm using my concealer brush, and this is the Vasanti concealer brush that I got out of Ipsy. I really enjoy it. And I'm taking the Rimmel Stay Matte powder in translucent. I'm just gonna powder my under eye with it. And I'm going into my butter bronzer in the shade Bronzer. And I'm going to warm up my cheeks and my face. I'm going under the chin, down the neck, and I'm using the Sigma blush in Nymphaea. Looks like that. And I'm going over the nose so I can be sunburnt and sun-kissed. I'm going into my Flesh Boost to highlight my face. That's what it looks like. It's really pretty. Went down the nose, now I'm going over the cupid's bow and the chin. I think I'm going to do what I did last video, just keep everything above the eye, not put any shadow below the eye. And I'm going to go into the NYX On the Rise Volume Liftscara. That's what it looks like. Now I'm going to put that on my lashes. And I'm taking the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss in Peach Bellini. That's what it looks like. Sorry if I'm sniffling so much. My allergies have been killing me. I'm going to take off any of the foundation I got on my lips. like my allergies keep getting worse. I either got a runny nose or I have a stopped up nose, and I got a hair on my wand. And now I'm taking the Pixi Skin Treats Hydrating Milky Mist. And I'm going to spray my face. Smells so good. Alright, well, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching me come up with this look. I have fun shopping my stash and finding some things that I had kind of pushed to the side that I definitely still love. The foundation, I still love. The mascara is really great. The bronzer and highlighter, I love. They're beautiful. The blush, I love. It just takes a little bit to build it up. The color is beautiful, but you know how I love my blush. I love paling on my blush, so it just takes a little bit to get up to the intensity that I love. So the concealer, the primer, pretty much everything. The lip gloss stings a little bit more than I remember, but everything else I love. So I'm glad that I was able to go through my stash and kind of rediscover some things. So if you like the video, please hit the like button. Also, if you haven't subscribed, I would love for you to become a part of our family and hang out with us on our little corner of the internet. Also, if you haven't, ring the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload any of my great content. And share the video with any of your family and friends that would enjoy my content or you think would enjoy my content. It helps me out a lot. Also, remember about the giveaway, our 25 subscriber giveaway. We're one more closer. I have one more subscriber, so whoever you are out there, thank you. And thank you to the rest of my subscribers for hanging in there with me. If you'll share the video so that maybe we can get to 25 so I can give out the palette that I have, the ColourPop, either the whatever or the Sweet Talk palette, I think was what I got. One of those two palettes. And then if we get to 50, I'll give out the other palette. And 100, I have 3 of the ColourPop palettes that I'm going to be giving away. So just share with your friends and family so that we can get to our giveaway points. And I guess that's going to be all for me, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, y'all.